Good afternoon, everyone. Nowadays, we are facing very worst situation. COVID-19, lockdown, social distancing, vaccine, active cases, death. All of these words are puzzled us. Every sectors, starting from railway, airlines, public transport, academic institution, private and government companies, stumbled in each step. Sports and physical education is not of this out of list. So, as having the sports background, I have taken the study entitled as Opinion of Emerging Sports Persons regarding their maintenance of fitness during COVID-19 lockdown. Myself, Saurabh Tripathi, research scholar, contributory lecturer, postgraduate teaching department of physical education, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati. Now I am starting my presentation. Introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused the most significant interval to the worldwide sporting schedule after the horrible World War II. All over the world and to varying degrees, sports events have been cancelled or postponed. The world's largest event, Summer Olympic 2020, Tokyo, was rescheduled in 2021. The IPL 2020 was also suspended due to this pandemic. Every week, cricketer, football and basketball league is postponed for an indefinite period. Wimbledon is taking a break. In a single sentence, COVID-19 has dealt the world of sports its biggest blow ever. So, as having a sports background, the researcher shows his interest to find out the opinion of emerging sports persons regarding their maintenance of fitness during this crisis period. Now it is the purpose. The main purpose of the study was to find out the opinion of emerging sports persons regarding their maintenance of fitness during COVID-19 lockdown period. Now it is the hypothesis. On the basis of experience and knowledge, the researcher hypothesized that there would be found significant opinion of emerging sports persons regarding their maintenance of fitness during COVID-19 lockdown. The source of data. For the present study, the subjects were selected from the railways player of different game of Kharagpur, West Bengal, practicing in the Sesa Stadium, Kharagpur. Selection of subjects. For the present study, 48 male sports persons ages ranging from 19 to 24 years old were selected by purposive sampling method. Now the development of opinionaire. The researcher developed self-made opinionaire with the help of guide and experts for the collection of data related to the study. After pilot study, the final opinionaire has 16 statements were confirmed. The opinionaire has 3 parts, viz. Psychological status having 6 opinions, fitness status having 7 opinions, and coaching and facilities having 3 opinions. All over, there were 8 positive opinions and 8 negative opinions. The reliability of the opinionaire was calculated with the help of test-retest method and it was found 0.70. Collection of data. The data was collected by the researcher by Google Form format to avoid the spread of COVID-19 infection due to the gathering. The researcher typed the opinions in Google Form and mailed in the email ID of the subjects and WhatsApp and requested them to fill it and submit. Finally, researcher got the responses and tabulated them. Now it is the analysis of the first part of the opinionaire. In the first part of the opinionaire shows the opinion about psychological status of the emerging sports person. Here the psychology of the emerging sports persons shows weak as they feel conditions are changing against them. Their confidence level goes downward. Their concentration level downs. Their comeback to mainstream is in dark. Further, the researcher analyzes the data using chi-square to find out the significance of the psychological status of emerging sports persons. Now the data was shown in the table, the chi-square table. Here the chi-square value was 33.64 and the critical value of the chi-square is 7.81. In 0.05 level of significance, degree of freedom 3. Though the obtained chi-square is greater than the critical value of chi-square, it is concluded that the psychological status of the emerging sports persons are significant. and the researchers' hypothesis is accepted. Means they feel psychologically weak about their fitness level and performance. Now it is the data shows graphically. Now it is the second part of the opinionaire. In the second part of the opinionaire, the researcher want to know the opinion of the emerging sports persons about their fitness status during lockdown period. According to the table, very few players can maintain their fitness during lockdown. They are not able to perform fully utilizing their abilities. They are not satisfied with their daily schedule. They think they are unable to coordinate with their teammates after lockdown. So the lockdown has a large impact on their future performance. According to them, because they can maintain fitness, but it is difficult to maintain the developed skills and techniques. Further, the researcher analyzes the data using chi-square to find out the significance of maintenance of fitness of emerging sports persons. Now the data shown in the table with chi-square value. The chi-square value calculated 6.44. The tabulated value of chi-square at the level of significance 0.05 is 7.81 with the degree of freedom 3. Though the obtained chi-square is less than the critical value of the chi-square, it is concluded that the fitness status of the emerging sports persons are not significant and the researcher's hypothesis is rejected. So the result shows that they can partially maintain their fitness by their own workout. Data shown in the graph graphically. Now it is the last and the third part of the opinionaire. In the last part of the opinionaire defines the opinion of the emerging sports persons about the coaching and facilities they got during the lockdown period. Here they can fulfill the demand of workout as their coaches provide them before lockdown for maintaining their performance. The online guidance of the coach cannot fulfill their aspiration. They face the lack of facilities and equipments to enhance their performance. Further, the researcher analyzes the data using chi-square to find out the significance of coaching and facility of the emerging sports persons. The data shows in the table and the chi-square value calculated 35.12. The tabulated value of chi-square at the level of significance 0.05 is 7.81 in the degree of freedom 3. Though the obtained chi-square is greater than the critical value of chi-square, it is concluded that their coaching and facilities of the emerging sports persons are significant and the researcher's hypothesis is accepted. Result shows that they are not satisfied with the online guidance of the coach and also due to the lack of facilities they suffer most for maintaining their fitness for future performance. The data shows graphically. Now the all-over questionnaire. The chi-square value shows 18.85. The researcher analyzes the data in chi-square and the tabulated value of the chi-square at the level of significance 0.05 is 7.81. Though the obtained chi-square is greater than the critical value of chi-square, it can be concluded that the opinion of emerging sports persons regarding their maintenance of fitness during COVID-19 lockdown period is significant and the researcher's hypothesis is accepted. The data shows graphically. Now it is the conclusion. Study shows that the opinion about the psychological status and coaching and facility of the emerging sports persons are found significant precisely, but the opinion about the fitness status is not found significant. Besides that, when studied on all over 3 sections, the opinion about the psychological status, fitness status and coaching and facility is found significant, which indicates that the emerging sports persons were suffering psychologically, lack of proper coaching, insufficient facilities to maintaining their fitness for future performance during the COVID-19 lockdown. There are some references. Thank you. Thanks to all.